Hi, my name is Rhys Tucker, and I'm an intern here at the broadcast program of Gaston College. This is my lovely friend and assistant, Zack. Say
Hello.
hi, Zack. Hi. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm doing flabulously. Thanks for asking. And today, I'm going to teach you guys how to operate the Behringer Europort PA system that we just got for the broadcast program. So the first thing you need to know when setting up the Europort PA system is that you need to plug in the AC power cable located here. Secondly, you need to turn the switch to the on position, which is currently on right now. Finally, you will need to connect the speakers via the right and left TRS cables. The Europort PA system has 6 channels for audio. The first 2 are microphone inputs and can be used for wireless microphones. The last 4 are stereo audio inputs. The last 2 can also be used with the wireless Bluetooth functionality. Now, the PA system for each channel has 5 knobs pertaining to different settings. The first setting is the treble, the next setting is bass, the setting after that is effects, the setting after that is balance or pan, and the final setting is level. The treble knob affects the higher frequencies of an input. The bass knob affects the lower frequencies of an input. The next knob is the effects knob, which I will get to in more detail very soon. However, there are multiple effects that can be used on this PA system, and this is how you would turn up or turn down the actual level of the effects individually. With the next setting, the next knob, is the balance, or you can call it pan. What it does is it moves the sound from either one speaker to another speaker, or if you have it set in the middle, like it is right now, it will play evenly from both speakers. Finally is the level knob, which essentially controls the overall volume or level of the audio. The Europort PA system comes equipped with an EQ functionality. The EQ can be used to lower or turn up certain frequencies in an audio input. For example, you can turn up or lower the bass frequencies of a music input or music that you're playing through the PA system, or you can do the exact opposite or turn up the treble. Now, something to bear in mind is that if you're using 2 inputs like a microphone as well as music input like an audio input like that, it will layer the EQ on top of all of the audio. So it will use the EQ for everything. You will be using it on the music input as well as your microphone input. So keep that in mind. Also, the EQ comes with a feedback detection functionality. So, for example, feedback is when you have a microphone too close to one of the speakers and everything starts to hiss really loud, very annoying. You don't want that to happen. So if you are worried that it might, you will turn on the feedback detection functionality. Next is the multi-effects processor. There are over 100 presets on the multi-effects processor, and to select a certain preset that you want, you can turn the knob on the left. To select one, you will just press the knob. The knob on the right is the level knob, and with that you can change the level of the effect. Now, whatever channel you're running through, if you have the main effect level all the way down to 0, you will not be putting any effect on that channel or on that input. However, if you turn it up, that will determine how much the effect actually affects that individual channel. Now, the presets involved have anything from reverb to phasers, and I encourage you to go through them individually because there are a lot of fun things you can do with that. Next is the main level control. On the left is the knob that pertains to the level of the left speaker, and to the right pertains to the level or volume of the right speaker. Now, if you were to turn down one of these knobs, turn down one of these levels, and leave the other one up, you would only be hearing audio or getting audio from one of the speakers. If you want them to match in sound, you will turn them to about the same point in the circle. Next is the stereo or mono switch. Currently it is set to stereo, and when you switch it down, it will set it to mono. Finally, at the bottom of the panel are the 6 inputs. Now, the first 2 inputs are XLR inputs, which can be used for microphones. Above them are also microphone inputs, but they are TRS inputs. Now, you'll see those kind of inputs all over. In other cases, there will be sets of 2. That would be for stereo audio, first for the left and second for the right. Now, moving on with the Bluetooth functionality of the PA system. To turn on the pairing process, you will just hold the button and wait for the blue light to start flashing. Next, you will go into your phone's Bluetooth settings, find the Behringer PA system in the settings, and pair your device to it. And once it pairs, the light will go blue and you'll be able to play audio through the PA system. Finally is the aux input. For example, if you want to wire your phone directly to the PA system, you can plug in an aux cord, similarly to how you would if you plugged it into your car. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to use the Behringer Europort PA system. Hopefully you learned a lot, and hopefully you'll be able to use the Behringer to the fullest of its capacities. Thanks for watching.